It is well known that panel repair work is not only time-consuming but requires skills and years of experience to do well. This is especially true of modern cars, as the panels are much thinner and can become easily work-hardened and stretched. Furthermore, it is now almost impossible to do the repair work from inside due to impact bars and other components in the way. This is why Miracle System had to be developed. Miracle System has been designed to overcome these issues in a very logical way. Miracle System can be used for any size of panel repair, from smallest dent to largest damage. Miracle System was developed in Japan over 30 years ago and is sold in almost every country around the world. Often copied but never duplicated, its innovative design and quality makes it the leader in panel repair tools. For today's vehicles, a dent puller with single point pulling is not enough. A panel repair system is required to restore panels to their original shape without burning through the back side or stretching the metal. Most of the damage area affecting panels falls into one of two categories, those of elastic distortion area and the plastic distortion area. If there is elastic distortion, it will return to its original shape when the tension is released. If there is plastic distortion, it can't go back to its original shape, regardless of whether the tension is released. The Miracle System method of repair has been developed to simplify your task and make your repair work quicker than ever before. Most of the time, you only have to concentrate on the plastic distortion area, and the elastic distortion areas will sort themselves out. With our system, distortion that may occur during repair work is greatly reduced, leading to a surprisingly small amount of body filler and painting work. The Miracle System of panel repair consists of the following tools. Strong puller is designed to work on semi-structural panels such as rocker and quarter panels. Look at this badly damaged panel. In the conventional way, you would cut off the damaged panel and replace it with a new one, or try to pull out the damage with a pulling tower by welding a plate. Either way, it takes time and gives you a lot of unnecessary hard work. One of the special features of Miracle System is that you can do a quality repair in a much shorter time without having to replace the panel. First, weld the bit onto the deepest part of the damage. Then weld the second bit close to the first and bend it into place. You can weld many bits in a small area, allowing you to pull strong areas easily. Next, set the wrench through the holes of the bits. Thanks to the long shape of the hole, you can easily set the wrench even if the damage is deep. Place the hook at the deepest point of the damage and adjust the distance between both feet to isolate the damage. To adjust the level of the hook, turn the center knob to the left or right. Adjust the handles to 45 degrees and simply pull the handles together. You will be amazed at how easily this strong area is restored. Pull out the panel to about 80% of the original level and lock the handles. With the panel under tension, you can hammer the distorted areas. Even the most tightly welded bits can be easily twisted off. "10 minutes is all it takes to get to this stage. The strong puller is easy to use and quicker than setting the vehicle on the floor system or frame machine to make a similar pull." Line puller was specifically designed for repairing body lines quickly and easily on large panels. As you already know, restoring body lines is time-consuming and difficult to do well. The line puller has been designed to help you do a quality repair in a short amount of time. Line puller is a result of years of research in different materials, many prototypes, testing our invention, and listening to the advice of experienced panel beaters. Line puller, like all Miracle System tools, is made from a proprietary alloy of titanium and aluminum. As you can see, this damage would be extremely difficult to repair. It seems likely that this panel should be replaced. Let's see what we can do with line puller. Weld the bits onto the line. Only one person is needed to set the line puller. Its weight is easily held by cords with suction cups. Line puller easily adapts to any location on the vehicle. The location of the pulling mechanism, as well as the feet, can be adjusted anywhere along the beam, allowing for the perfect positioning every time. The perfect pull can be set up even on a long door panel or large roof. Lock the handles and hammer out the plastic distortion area. This would be a lengthy job using conventional methods. Again, you have excellent results in a short period of time with a reduced area of repair. The lever puller is designed to repair medium-sized damage and is used as an alternative to the strong puller or line puller. It is very effective for simple damage in areas where placing the feet of the strong puller or line puller may be difficult. The lever puller is excellent on roofs or around wheelhouse openings. Hold the panel under tension and do the hammering. It could not be easier. Easy Puller is designed for finishing and repairing small dents and scrapes. Deep scrapes are common damages that take considerable time with conventional methods. Connect Easy Puller to the welding machine using the cable. Choose the appropriate size and shape of the frame. Simply touch the panel and the bit welds automatically. Squeeze the lever gently and the dent comes out. Twist the handle and the bit releases. Each squeeze and twist of the handle gently removes the dent while shrinking the panel at the same time. There is no burn through on the back side. A conventional sliding hammer is difficult to control and often leaves high points at the point of welding. The different size frames push down the crown and isolate the damage. Even a novice can have great results with Easy Puller. Simply weld, squeeze the lever and twist off. You need only 5 minutes for this scrape. The frames isolate the damage. The repair area is controlled and reduced. The area requiring body filler is reduced. Miracle Pet is a set of sliding hammers. Miracle Pet uses the same cable as the Easy Puller. Just touch the panel and the bit welds automatically. 3 different weights ensure you have the correct weight for each job, which improves results and reduces operator fatigue. Miracle Aluminum Stud. Miracle Aluminum Stud is designed to weld aluminum bits onto aluminum panels. This special welder allows you to repair aluminum panels in a similar way that you would repair steel panels. Insert the aluminum bit into the bit holder, then press the button on the welding gun. You can easily weld the aluminum bit strongly without any damage to the aluminum panel. At the heart of the system is the Miracle Stud SMS7Q, a compact, high-performance stud welder designed for heavy use in the highly demanding collision shop environment. Specially designed to work with Miracle System tools, each tool is clearly displayed with a picture. Miracle bits. The straight bits are used on strong areas such as rocker panels, pillars and quarter panels. The unique patented shape allows the technician to weld the bits very close together. The twisted bits are mainly used for line repair. They are effective when hammering close to the press line is required. The strong bits have a larger surface area, resulting in less heat on thin panels like roofs or on tight bends where the metal is thinner. Optimal results are achieved with fine adjustment of the SMS7Q stud welder. Why do you need Miracle System? To reduce repair time? To reduce the size of the repair? To reduce the cost of materials? To reduce cycle time? To reduce the parts ordering process? For a lower overall estimate? Improve your ratio of repair versus replace? Improve the quality of the repair? Easy to train new technicians. Today's vehicle panels are much thinner and more susceptible to heat. To restore these panels requires a different approach. Good results cannot be achieved with a traditional dent puller. Replace is not always the answer and can be very intrusive, not to mention time-consuming, when interior components, glass and electronics must be removed. Miracle System is a system of panel repair that gives you all the tools necessary to tackle any repair job that may enter your shop in a controlled and systematic manner. This will boost productivity and improve quality. Sometimes the only thing better than a new panel is the original.